Good evening. Tonight, we embark on a journey to uncover the fascinating world of United States military bases, vast, secure installations that are much more than just clusters of buildings. These bases are the backbone of America's military might, operating like self-contained cities with their own infrastructure, schools, hospitals, and even shopping centers, all designed to support the men and women who serve. Across the nation, these bases are bustling hubs of activity, where thousands of service members and their families live and work. They are centers for training, logistics, and innovation, ensuring that the armed forces are always ready to respond to any challenge. But America's military presence doesn't stop at its own borders. The United States maintains a vast global network of bases, stretching across continents and oceans, marking a significant American presence in nearly every corner of the world. A military base is government-controlled land dedicated to military purposes. These installations are essential for organizing, training, and equipping service members, providing them with the resources and support they need to carry out their missions effectively. Within the United States, bases like Fort Liberty and Naval Station Norfolk are pillars of national defense, supporting both the Army and Navy with state-of-the-art facilities and strategic locations. Overseas, American bases in countries such as Germany, Japan, and South Korea serve as forward operating posts. These locations allow for rapid deployment and response to crises, strengthening alliances and promoting stability in key regions. In total, the United States operates around 750 military bases in over 80 countries. This extensive network is a cornerstone of America's defense strategy, enabling global reach and influence. From small remote outposts to sprawling airfields filled with advanced aircraft, each base plays a unique and vital role in maintaining global security and supporting U.S. interests abroad. By understanding the scope and function of these military bases, we gain insight into their immense importance, not just for the United States, but for the safety and stability of the world as a whole. Why does the U.S. maintain such an extensive network of bases? The answer goes far beyond simple military might. These bases are a cornerstone of American global strategy, serving multiple purposes that extend well beyond their physical locations. Strategic positioning is key. By placing bases around the world, the U.S. can deter adversaries, reassure partners, and demonstrate a visible commitment to the security of its allies. This presence sends a powerful message that the U.S. stands ready to defend its interests and those of its friends. This forward presence not only helps prevent conflicts from escalating, but also allows for rapid response to global crises, whether military, humanitarian, or natural disasters. Bases act as launch points for both defense and relief operations, making the U.S. a first responder in times of need. Bases enable quick deployment of troops, equipment, and aid, stabilizing volatile situations before they spiral out of control. This agility is crucial in a world where threats can emerge suddenly and unpredictably. They also foster strong alliances through joint training and exercises, ensuring that U.S. forces can operate seamlessly with those of partner nations. This interoperability is essential for effective coalition operations and building trust among allies. These relationships are vital for international security, creating a network of cooperation that extends across continents and cultures. Strong alliances help deter aggression and promote stability worldwide. Bases support logistics and intelligence, acting as hubs for military operations, supply chains, and information gathering. They ensure that resources and knowledge flow efficiently to where they are needed most. Ultimately, these bases are crucial for monitoring threats, projecting power, and protecting the U.S. and its allies in an ever-changing global landscape. What happens daily on these bases? Life on a military base is a blend of discipline, routine, and camaraderie. Every day, service members wake up early, ready to take on a variety of tasks that keep the base running smoothly and everyone prepared for any situation. Training and readiness are top priorities. Soldiers participate in rigorous exercises, both indoors and outdoors, to sharpen their skills and stay physically fit. These sessions are designed to simulate real-life scenarios, ensuring everyone is prepared for the unexpected. Soldiers practice essential skills, pilots train for complex missions, and sailors conduct drills at sea. Each branch has its own specialized routines, but all share the goal of maintaining peak performance and readiness at all times. Bases are also storage and maintenance hubs, where teams work tirelessly to keep vehicles, aircraft, and equipment in top condition. Regular inspections and repairs are crucial to ensure everything is ready for action at a moment's notice. Command centers on bases plan and direct military operations, coordinating missions and managing logistics. Here, officers analyze intelligence, develop strategies and make critical decisions that impact the success of their teams. But bases are more than just workplaces, they're vibrant communities. Service members and their families live on base with access to housing, schools, playgrounds, gyms and stores, creating a supportive environment for everyone. This strong support system allows service members to focus on their missions, knowing their loved ones are cared for and connected, no matter where duty calls. Some bases operate under extreme secrecy, like Area 51, known for testing advanced technologies. Secrecy protects national security, preventing leaks of technological advantages. These bases are in remote areas, heavily secured, with workers sworn to secrecy. The Cheyenne Mountain Complex, built to survive nuclear attacks, is another secure facility. Secret bases, including unacknowledged drone bases, play a critical role in modern warfare and intelligence. Military bases impact local communities, offering benefits and challenges. Bases boost local economies, providing jobs and supporting businesses. Federal investments improve infrastructure, benefiting the region. Bases bring diverse populations, enriching local culture. However, noise from bases can disrupt nearby residents, affecting property values. Despite challenges, bases are essential for national security, supporting troops and their families. From bustling airfields to secret sites, these bases uphold U.S. safety and security.